I planted what was supposed to be 2 male ginkgo trees 50 years ago. Now one of them is making fruit. What is going on? I have read where male ginkgo trees can become female and vice versa during certain environmental situations. Could this be the case, or could I have bought a mislabeled female by accident? If it was a mislabeled female, how come it is just now making fruit? And this is Herman from Covington, Tennessee.
Good
close to your neck of the woods, right? So how about that? 50 years ago.
50 years ago.
That's really good, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, I think I can solve his mystery.
Okay, let's solve it for him.
I'm afraid it's probably a misnamed, labeled tree.
Okay.
Because the female ginkgos can take 20 to 50 years before they start setting fruit.
Let's say that again. Say it one more time.
It takes 20 to 50 years for the female ginkgo to start producing fruit.
Okay, wow.
And the reason why it takes so long is these trees are very long-lived.
Yes.
I mean, it's not, 100 years is 200, 300 years is not unusual for ginkgo trees. So 20 to 50 years before they start producing fruit is not an unusual for that length of time for these ginkgo trees that live so long.
Right. Ginkgo trees go all the way back to the dinosaur ages.
Yes.
Wow, it's unbelievable.
Yes.
Wow, so we think it's just mislabeled.
I'm sorry, but it was mislabeled. Look at all the years you got to have without having fruit. So.
Right. And obviously he did an amazing job.
Yes. Keeping the tree alive for
Keeping it alive, 50 years.
That's wonderful. I bet
that's
it's a
great.
beautiful tree, even though it fruits.
Right, even though it fruits. Yeah. And the thing about the fruit is what?
Well, it is edible. I mean, it's used for food in a lot of places, both the seed and the flesh.
Okay. Yeah, it just doesn't have the most pleasant smell.
No, it's not the most pleasant smell. No.
All right, so Mr. Herman, there you have it. We think it's mislabeled.
It is mislabeled. I'm sorry.
It's mislabeled. Oh, wow, we're sorry. But look, 50 years, pretty good.
Good, very good.
Right. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.